Boy, oh boy, what's happening in the market? The bloodbath, complete chaos in the market today. Even though the market started on a positive note, when the market opened, the Dow Jones was trading at 300 points higher. And then when the day ends, it collapsed by minus 1100 points. S&P 500, it was trading at 50 basis points higher, and it seems to be a continuation of the rally that we saw on Friday. But then at 1 p.m. Eastern, the market completely started collapsing. Okay, and this is in anticipation of the announcement that Trump was, going to make with regards to the investment from Taiwan Semiconductor. Okay, so the investment announcement was all positive. Taiwan Semiconductor was going to invest $100 billion in the US, creating multiple facilities in Arizona, creating thousands of jobs in the US, and this will bring the total investment from Taiwan Semiconductor in the US up to $165 billion. So massive news, positive news, is going to create a lot of economic activity in the US. But why the market tanked? Well, wait until the Q&A session. So after the announcement, Trump went into a press conference. In the Q&A, this is when the fireworks all happened. Okay, either this guy is running his mouth, intentionally and trying to make these statements to make a lot of chaos in the market, or he's just running his mouth without knowing what's going to happen. Okay, during the Q&A session, he was asked what's going to happen with the tariffs. Are we going to delay this any further, or are there any options available on the table to, negotiate that? He said, no options. Tariffs are all set. We are going ahead tonight. Okay. After that, the market completely tanked, and S&P 500 lost $1.5 trillion worth of value today within just a matter of hours. Okay, that's how the volatility has been in the market just today. Okay, and not only that, after that announcement, White House put another announcement saying that President Trump signed another executive order to increase the tariffs on China by another 10%. So not only 10%, now it is 20% across the board on Chinese products. Okay, so this is 20% tariff in the last 2 months on China alone. So all of these tariffs and trade wars are creating a lot of chaos in the market. Trade war is a threat to global economy and the business. Bank of Canada predicted if the tariffs are applied on Canada and Canada applies retaliatory tariffs on US product, we can expect negative 12% GDP contraction in Canada going forward. That will be a disaster. That will be a depression in Canada, not just a simple recession. And we also saw Canadian dollar tanked. It went up to 70 cents in the last week. Now it is trading at 68 cents against the greenback. So a lot of chaos, a lot of panic, a lot of uncertainty. And the crypto market, that is also crashing hard. It was a rug pull. Over the weekend, it went up because of the Trump's pumping tweet that he's suggesting to create a strategic reserve asset, including Solana, Cardano, and XRP. And then he also said he's also considering Bitcoin and Ethereum. Everything went up within a matter of hours, and now it is crashed back down again. So all of these pump and dump volatility is going to continue. But this is also creating opportunities for us to trade. If you analyze all these situations, understand how these news are going to impact the market, and you build up your strategy, you can take advantage of these rallies and make profit off it. The whole point of this video is to let you know, first of all, what's happening in the global markets, how these events and news and announcements is going to impact the economy, the financial markets going forward, and then how you can make profit off it. That's the whole purpose. I'm not creating negativity. I'm giving you the opportunity to trade off these volatilities. Anyway, you let me know what you think about that. Put your comments down below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Are you feeling lost in the complexity of global economy and trying to understand how this is going to impact your investment portfolio? You are not alone, my friend. I have been through and I have learned the hard way, and I'm trying to converge all of my experience and learnings into a course that I just designed specifically for you. In this course, Mastering Macroeconomic Fundamentals for Investment Strategies, I'll show you how to decode the economic trends, navigate market cycles, and build smarter, adaptable investment strategies. You're going to learn, analyze key indicators like GDP, inflation, and yield curves, identify opportunities in commodities and crypto alike, and adjust your portfolio to thrive in any cycle. With real-world examples and actionable insight, this course will empower you to invest with confidence, no matter what the market is. Don't just react to the news, understand them. Enroll now and take control of your financial future today.